Hi everyone, I'm Yvonne Decelis coming to you today on my channel YNergy. This is a really quick one. I just want to show you a quick and easy thing you can do to calm yourself down during moments of stress, panic, etc. This just feels kind of good. What you want to do is take either your left or right hand. I'm left-handed, so I put my left hand on top of my head. So you want to put your hand on your head and let your fingers drop down onto your forehead. You can just leave your thumb off on the side. And then with your other hand, you just put it in the grooves between your knuckles. So just put it in so that it's on top of the other hand. And again, thumb can go wherever is comfortable. And then in this position, I'm trying to do this so that we can maintain eye contact. Once you're in this position, breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth if possible, or at the very least, just breathe deliberately, meaning pay attention to your breathing. Breathe in and out. One more in and out. And that is the exercise. I hope that was helpful for you. Take care. And as always, thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you will be back. If you like that, please smash the like button below and please subscribe if you wish to get notified when I put new videos up. Anyway, take care again. Thanks so much. Cheers.